Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of BFF. Oh, David, you got money in there, son?
Money.
David's starting to cough up money. It's great, isn't it, son? Don't know where it's coming from. But guys, we are heading to the Bird of Prey Centre today, aren't we? Got young little Bailey with us, Dick. Now, me and Mummy.
Turtle hamster.
Me and Mummy.
Don't know why.
Me and Mummy have to take turns, don't we? Because Bailey's not allowed in. So here we go. And of course, guys, we're still here at Loch Lomond. David's going to lead on. Lead on, Macduff.
Wait.
Go. And I think the aquarium we visited is just over there somewhere, isn't it? But we're not going there today. We're going to the Bird of Prey Centre, aren't we, son? So hopefully we're going to see some hawks and owls and stuff, eh? Hopefully.
There's eagles. Hawks. Owls.
Eagles, the whole boat. Look, here we go. And look, here she comes. Come on then, Bales. Oh, and our first one, a proper barn owl.
Oh, this is a...
Oh, look. What's his name? Kiko.
It's Biggles.
Is that Kiko?
It's Biggles.
Oh.
I found
What are you doing, buddy?
It's Biggles.
Isn't he lovely? He is lovely. I think that's his big bath down there, look. So he gets a lovely big bath himself, don't you? Oh, they're lovely.
Oh my.
Oh, these are just gorgeous, guys. Birds of Prey is awesome. Oh, we just love our animals, don't we, guys? Hello.
I found two in one cage.
Hello.
I found two.
Oh. What a lovely thing you are. Oh, now he big. He's Mozart. Oh, I'm more like a cat than an owl.
Oh. I can see one. Wait. Birnie. What's in there? Dad?
Oh my goodness, they're just gorgeous, aren't they, guys? These are the trained ones, like. Aren't they gorgeous? And they've got their own big pool of water, look, guys. A Ferrignus hawk, now it's endangered. Oh. Endangered. There's a couple that are endangered. Hello. They must be so used to people, though, eh? I would have thought. I would say they're very, very used to people. What a lovely noise, eh? You're just proper, aren't you? A proper hawk. Look at that.
Beautiful. There's one that's endangered.
Because Emily's hoping to get parakeets, aren't you, Ems? Yeah, I don't think we'll have any hawks right enough, but parakeets certainly.
That one over there is endangered.
Here we go, and this is Digby, a great horned owl. So these are all birds of prey, guys. They are really good close up of you. Hey, we're going to get a proper look of you this time. Hey, we're going to get a proper look. Get a proper look of you. Who else have we got, guys?
This is not.
Look at the eyes, guys, eh? You turn. There we go. Mark's really close as well. Eh? Lovely. Hello, you. You coming over? Are you coming over? Just give you a wee bit of scale. Look, there's Emily and David just there, guys. There's David's Neep, and there is Max. You are gorgeous.
He likes tilting his head.
Hey, you gorgeous.
And he's a red kite.
So he's a red kite.
He's beautiful.
He's 2000.
Tilt your head for the camera.
He's a lovely boy, isn't he? Whoa! Whoa! That's a proper vulture, you guys. Check him out.
Oh, hi.
Eh? A proper vulture. So let's get a wee close up of you. Look at the eyes. Look at the eyes, guys. Eh? You can turn your head right round. You can turn your head right round. There you go. Hello. Oh, now that is beautiful. That's an Indian eagle owl. Oh, now these are amazing. Look at this. This is Bosch. This is a snow owl.
This owl has tiny eyes.
Hey, you're a snow owl.
This owl over
Yeah, lovely thing. They've all got a lovely big bath to go in, haven't they? At least it's nice and cool in the shade for them. Yeah, they're nice and cool for you. Yeah, no, we're just, hello you, what's happening? Hey, hello.
He's a rescue.
He's a rescue. He's endangered.
This month he's turning 1.
Oh wow.
This month he's 1.
You're a
We came
monster.
here on his birthday.
Yeah.
Birthday month.
And so he is endangered, a steppe eagle.
And this month it's his birthday.
Oh, it's your birthday.
So we came here.
Look at that. I suppose he is young, you can see his feathers are still quite soft. You know, they're not hardened up. Eh? Eh? Are you liking it here?
This month he's 1.
It's pretty much all you'll know is this place, really.
He's showing off.
You showing off for us? Are you showing off for us?
Boy, you are a beautiful
Eh? I see ya. I see ya. It's a lovely wee thing that you are.
Oh, birthday is 7th of July 2020. So he's already a year old.
So look, they've...
Look. We found him when he was a chick.
Just a wee chick.
There's a flying area.
He was just a tiny wee thing, look, and he had, did a bit of damage as well, look. See in the right hand picture there's damage to his, I think it's his leg. Or his wing, I should say.
But he looks like he's better.
He's better now, aren't you?
He is a big one.
Eh?
One of the evil things.
He's threatened. He's not endangered, but he's threatened.
What does that mean? Poor little bit. Poor little bird.
They're lovely, aren't they? So we'll have a wee zoom in and see. Let's have a look at them.
Look how big he is.
A lovely wee thing, eh? What a lovely wee thing you are. It's a New Zealand falcon. Eh? You a New Zealand falcon, are you? Well, I think this dude could finish off a whole chicken by himself, eh?
Yeah.
You could, couldn't you?
It's up to 240 centimeters.
Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Scout. Hi,
Scout.
Why can owls put their head backwards?
I know they can turn right round, can't they?
All birds can do that.
What are you seeing?
Oh, you vibing.
They've obviously got amazing eyesight, haven't they? Got amazing eyesight, haven't you? Hello.
I'm like,
Hey, I wonder what he's thinking.
birds can dance.
What are you thinking? Hey, what are you thinking about?
I think he's looking at you.
Yeah, I think he's looking at the girls, isn't he?
Yeah. Okay.
Just doing a little bit of pruning, guys. Look, a wee bit of pruning. Yeah, it's a wee bit of pruning. Soccer falcon, but he's a hybrid. It's another falcon, you guys. Look. Oh, aren't you gorgeous? Hey, aren't you gorgeous? And now we've got Ethan, he's a Harris hawk. Eh? Let's get a look at you. Let's get a look at you. Eh? Aren't you gorgeous?
I want to go on the education.
Yeah, look. You are gorgeous. Yeah, it's really nice the shade for them, isn't it, guys? Here we go. And who are we on to now?
This is Argo.
Jess.
Jess is in there.
Ghost hawk. Oh.
This is Argo.
Argo.
The red-tailed hawk.
What is he?
Red-tailed hawk.
A red
It's
tail.
not a he, it's a she.
Oh, it's a she. Hello, lady. Hello, lady. Aren't you lovely? Bailey would have been barking her head off if we took her in here, actually. You don't need that, do you? And look, they've all got their own little bath for drinking and for cleaning themselves or cooling down as well.
At least on the shade.
But they're really in the shade here, aren't they?
Yeah.
So you're a little lady, are you? Look at lovely claws, look at that. What, darling?
She was born 2 years before you and Mum got married.
What, it's 2000, was she?
2000.
Goodness sake, something she's 21 years old.
21 years old.
You're an old girl and you look gorgeous, and I don't know how long they live for.
next month. It was her birthday.
Wow. So we're at the Education Centre.
British Birds of Prey.
British Birds of Prey. We've got quite a few, haven't we, really, when you think about it?
Oh. Wait, are those dinosaurs? Dinosaurs. Or no?
Oh wow, look at the feathers. Golden Eagle. Golden Eagle, American Kestrels. They're gorgeous, aren't they?
This is what they use eagles' feathers.
Please do not touch the displays. Fair enough, isn't it? Eh?
Eagles' feathers are beautiful.
It's a beautiful owl. That's the common barn owl that we have in this country.
Badger skull? Mountain? Yeah, skulls.
Badger skull?
Badger tail.
Kestrel skulls, barn owl skulls.
What is that random thing there?
I don't know what that is, son. Nah, there's a sparrowhawk. We've got a lot of these up beside us. Lots and lots of sparrowhawks. Look, oh, and he's got a dead bird in this thing, look. Poor birdie.
Probably got it.
Oh, cute. So that's the female kestrel.
They're extremely good hunting birds. Koya picked her up 16 months ago. She was a late clutch to replace my previous Harris hawk who died of a massive heart attack, 5.5 years old. First year I had her, we tried rabbits, but she just looked at me, so I ran after. Second year she started taking rabbits. Third year started going after hares and then taking pheasants. So there's a reputation for being intelligent, easy to train. So falconry is 4,000-year-old art, and mostly there's a lot of words using English language that comes straight from falconry. Fair exchange is no robbery. If you're flying a hawk, you don't want to rob it, you want to give something that feels rewarded for so you can get the game off it. Fed up. They fly very low, 2-3% of life. So now she's been fed, she doesn't know what you're doing. Fed up, doesn't know what you're doing. Look at the teenagers rolling about. And now I've got her here, I've got her straps under my thumb. Under the thumb, under control. Ladies. Yeah, I thought
Eagle. Now, 18 years old for an African spotted eagle is a relatively good age. In captivity, these guys could live up well into 25 to even potentially 30. So, of course, naturally, he's probably having his midlife crisis by now, I'd reckon. Hey, Pipe. Now, of course, being the African spotted eagle, there's no prize in guessing whereabouts in the world these guys do come from. They do come all the way from Africa. However, Cockatoo here was actually born in the UK. So he has got a few identity issues, but we don't address them. It's far more easy to ignore them, aren't they? Right, come all the way up here. Now, if you want a little bit more detail whereabouts in Africa they come from, you can find them all across the sub-Saharan desert, but they can also be found in more of your Arabian Peninsula as well. So they're very, very more southern areas. Right, we're going to do a long one. You ready? Come on. So, of course, naturally, these guys are least concerned species. Being a least concerned species, it means they're doing relatively well. And it means we ain't got a definite kind of population number on these guys. So, of course, they're not endangered because they're still quite commonly seen over. And now, the reason these guys are least concerned is because of their diet. Honestly, they're like pigs. They'll happily eat anything and everything they can fit in their mouth. Honestly, that's probably a good one. So, of course, naturally, the diet of these guys consists of your rodents, which you'd normally expect of an owl. They would also eat bats, amphibians, kids, if you want. Parents, you can find me after the show. I'm more than happy to feed him. Then they're typically nocturnal. Now, you may notice I'm using typically a lot in that sentence, because not everything is a definite yes, that is definitely diurnal. Because you've got to remember, I've got him all the way in Africa. He's not the biggest owl, nor is he going to be the scariest predator either. So it does unfortunately mean he will become a lovely toasty snack for any other bird of prey that's a bit bigger than him. But also, he would quite happily roast out in the heat as well. So these guys actually exhibit more of your crepuscular traits, but also nocturnal traits when they feel like it. Can you come all the way over here for us? Come on, don't get seen on me. That's it. Well done. Oh, you're going to miss that then.
species are 1-year-old turkey vulture. Now you can see why they call him a turkey vulture. He's a turkey. And he's acting like a turkey just now. Come on, up here. Now, when you arrived, he was only 9 weeks old, covered him down, grey head, grey feet, grey legs. And you'll notice his legs, feet and that are going pink. As he matures and gets older, those will go bright red.
He's half turkey.
They'll look even more like a turkey. Now, turkey vultures are from the Americas, classified, no, up in the perch. Oh, you're in the sun. In the rain, excuse me, you go up with it. Come on. Hit sun to help. Come on. So, from the Americas, doing very well, you world vultures. A few things about turkey vultures. They don't have vocal cords. How they communicate is they hiss. So when you see John Wayne lying there with a bullet wound in an old western and vultures are simply around overhead and hear a noise, it's a red-tailed hawk. And if you watched the African migration a few years ago with Red Global, and the vultures were circling round, looking at the carcasses underneath, you hear the sound, guess what? A red-tailed hawk. Little do for effect. Anyway, those vocal cords
One is bigger than the other.
are the strongest sensitive snare of any species. Now, bones here helped us raise over £2,500 last year to support a charity in Africa called Vulture, who are on the front line at the coalface actively doing something about vulture conservation. That money we raised helped to kit out a specialist veterinary clinic. Over here now. Excuse me. Yeah, you're going to fly through the sun. Oh, good boy. So he did well, but there was no point in talking about vultures if we didn't have vultures from to get him. And he's done a sterling job. Right. I think he was sitting on the perch up there not wanting to move. He's doing my head in. He's got another wee bit in. And a few more bits. The thing about feeding vultures, they're used to eating raw meat. Or skin. Nice in the bag. Right, come on. Call it a day. You never know. Maybe you're going to land.
Right, guys, so how was that?
Amazing!
The birds of prey.
My favourite one was Bones.
Oh, Bones.
The biggest one there.
I had to stay in the car.
But he's the most stubborn.
Yeah, I had to stay in the car because Bailey it's really hot out there today, and I had to stay here with Bailey with the windows open. Hey, Bales. But yeah, it was really cool though.
Yeah.
I'll see the video because Mummy videoed a lot of it, didn't she, for this BFF video?
She done a few videos for each bird.
Oh, that's
There's only
awesome.
3 though.
Oh, that's awesome. So we're gonna head back up to the site. We're gonna head back up to the loch. Yeah, baby. Uh huh. We're Drummond Safari Park next. Yeah, so still got some Loch Lomond videos to video yet. Hey, that's another one done. Awesome. Look at that dog, he looks just thirsty. Get some food here. Oh, look. I'm getting some, darling. Good girl.